were talking earlier about like acidity and that kind of thing. And we're going to put apple. And these are little things that I know you might not do at home, but you should try. Why not? Because if you think about it, you know, you often have an Indian meal with curry and it's got apple and it's got, you know, raisins or something. And here we're just kind of twisting it, but into a more Scottish, British kind of thing. And I think what's really exciting as well is, you know, you've got so many different cultures living here in the UK, and so many chefs now are going in. I was one of them. You're from Scotland. You go, you live in different countries, you learn different cultures, amazing new cooking techniques, etc. And then you bring them home, but then you use the ingredients of your area, if you see what I mean. And I think that's really exciting. You know, the food that's happening all over the world. You know, I've got a great friend, and he's got a restaurant in London, Dubai, Hong Kong, Istanbul, New York. Right? He started cooking when he was 26. Never cooked before. Right? True story. Nigerian, big black guy, Nigerian, French trained in London, in a 3-star Michelin, wife's Japanese, and he's from London. Okay? That kind of mix. And his food is just a mixture of everything. And it's just amazing. It's really amazing. So before, when I would say I would never have used a bit of curry or a bit of that, now because like I'm travelling and meeting different chefs and talking about food, you know, you're kind of mixing it. So if you've got a bit of darker chicken or something like that, kind of mixing it all together.